baby, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Y'all, man, it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Bring y'all another video. Finna pull up to this car meet, man. As you can see yesterday, when the video is dropping, then I was at a car meet last night for my very first one. Now I'm pulling up to my second one. Trying to get on this Mo Power car club, man. Trying to get in here, so I gotta make as many pull-ups as possible so I can let these kids know that your boy is for real out here trying to get with them, man. So yeah, make sure y'all like this video, comment, subscribe, share, like all my other videos. It's probably like 6 of them by now. So make sure you go back and like and share and all them things, man. Trying to get your boy up there to 100 views per video. And so then, man, you know, we just trying to take a little baby steps trying to get there, man. Shoot, man, I was trying to flip the camera around, but I had to direct myself here. But I just hit 130 easy on this thing coming down coming out of Mexico to Dallas. I just hit a little 130, man. But I'm gonna get back with y'all, man, when I pull up to the car meet, man. I don't want to do too much talking. Alright, too, man. Boy, I had to get a jacket on real quick, man, because it got cold out here. But we met up. We finna head out to the, I think it's called Full Throttle or something like that. So we finna get ready to roll out, man. I'm gonna get y'all a nice little rollers footage. I'm in the back, so I'm gonna let y'all see everything that's going on. Okay. Okay. I see. Alright. Hey. Nigga over here making some noise, man. Over here making some noise. Yeah, little nigga. Yeah, let them know, let them know. Let them know we about that work. A to Z Rails. Hey, shout out to that boy Jay, man.
Don't even come out. When we take it to the grave, we gon' talk. Niggas swung on me and
We out here deep. We out here deep.
Who on camera, man?
Hey man, y'all get that dude. Make sure y'all get this dude to follow, bro. Cause this hoe be screaming. This hoe be screaming like a bitch, man. And catch him on the tube. Make sure you catch him on the tube. Make sure you catch him on the tube. My boy over here is screaming on the car, bro. I don't know what he got done, but he more louder than your boy Hellcat Slick, man. He more louder than me. There's, look at bro, oh Jesus, I did the same thing. Look, man, go and shout it out,
Hey,
man.
man, the real 14K, YouTube and Instagram, man. We going up all 2020, man.
Yes,
Smash
sir.
that subscribe button, smash that like button.
Yes, sir. This him right here, man. Y'all gonna get that boy. Gonna give him a follow, a like, share, everything, man. We all trying to grow out here, bro. Y'all give it to him. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, he deep at. Oh, okay. He RT. Okay. Coyote.
Let's go too close.
Boy, put a red eye on the coyote, man. Hey, light them tires out one time. Look. That's what I'm saying, man. Look at these. Oh, these things sticking, bro. They got everything you need out here.
Hey, bro, everything now, look, man. Tunas.
Dallas is the move. Dallas is the move.
Tuna Mopar truck. That's all you need to know. That's the whole
Oh, he said hi too, boy. Look at them. Yes, indeed. Whole Mopar takeover, man. Hey man, go and shout it out. Go and shout it out. Yeah, you got something.
Name Mason.
Go and shout it out. Yeah, you got something.
Name Mason on Instagram.
Yeah,
That's all
y'all
I got.
That's all she got for you right now. Oh, I got it.
Trip check. This say Fulonzo.
Yes, sir.
Say Fulonzo, aka the Black Bruce Banner. I am him. He is I. We're one. You damn well believe we the same, man.
Bro, I
subscribe to the whole crew, man.
Yes, sir.
2020 is gonna be a movie with no ending,
Hell
baby.
yeah.
Hey, let's get it, man.
Oh, bro, I love that voice. That right there every time. I love that energy, baby. Love that energy, man. That's, bro, I really want to put that on my car. See, I want to put that on mine right there. Yeah. I'm glad we pulled up at the right time. We got the right thing. Uh-oh. He
I'm gonna put it on camera, man. Best believe. When I blow, I'm getting the fit. Bet your ass on this. I'm getting bet, man. Who we go?
Look, I would have had. Look, y'all know I would have had one if I ain't have a kid. If I ain't have a kid, I would have had one. Boy, look at it, fatty. Ooh. Uh-oh. Yes, indeed. Arrow. Hey. He so lame. No
He ain't
backseat.
playing no game. Oh, look at the booty action.
March 7, B had he's sitting on 305s too. Oh yeah, he ain't playing no game. Hey Dom, man, you gotta light him up.
You gotta see that.
Oh, he on the stick. Oh, he on the stick. Look at that. Oh, he ain't playing those types of games. He ain't playing no games, man. I still beat this nigga. Still beat this nigga off the link,
Yes,
man.
indeed. Oh, whoa. Hey, brother, I know you recording.
Oh, yeah, man. Check me out, man. It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Make sure I give your boy a follow on the YouTube, man. I'm new to this game, man. Trying to get like my boy Say Food Lines up. Say Food Lines up.
Hey, no black bro, brother. Y'all go to that man channel right now and
Hey,
subscribe,
man.
man.
Smash it. What's going on, fam? I'm coming. Oh, man, he doing something. He doing a whole lot of something, man. What's that, real? Oh, he like 900 to the wheel.
Jesus.
He 900 plus to the wheel. He won't tell nobody the actual number. I'm still, who is they? They,
Oh, I heard.
outlaw. Yeah.
I had one of their cars come through the auction.
You work at the auction?
Yeah.
Have you seen? Shit. You see a Hellcat come through there? Oh, it's too late. Nah, I already got
That
one.
red eye came through there too. I drove that red eye. I put that on Snapchat.
Bro, it gets down, don't it?
You know, low RPM. Oh yeah.
That's why I love that wine. That's why I gotta get that cola intake change so I can get that whip. I want to hear that wine. Love to hear that wine, man. I want to
What
hear.
happened to that one guy?
Which one?
The one that was in Mopar where they had that black one. That black 345 with the red RT on the side.
Hit me like. He ain't gonna hit it because it's escalator in front of him right here. He ain't gonna hit it. There you go. Oh, he just put the.
Is that a wrap?
Yeah, that's a wrap. His car was orange and black.
So you can tell the trunk.
Hey man, say man, what's going on, real?
Man.
What's good? Up early.
Oh yeah.
It's late. What you mean? Man. Oh yeah, let me go. Ooh. Let me get that back out of there, man. Ooh, my boy, Red Boy, is messing the game up.
That shit came out dope though.
Bro, I need to get with you when you get pissed off. I look. I'm gotta get with you. Oh, my shit ain't working, man. There it is. But see, I don't know if I want to do the actual light spinning like this or not. I just want the regular grill. I don't know if I want the going actually spinning like that. Ooh. Yeah, I know. He ain't gonna pop that hood though. He ain't gonna pop that hood.
Oh, real?
Make sure I get that joint right there, man. Bro, this joint here.
I just left the real shop too, so the reels will be on Wednesday.
Alright, so we'll be at the shop Tuesday night then. I'll be at the shop Tuesday night then.
No, I got.
Nah, they gonna put us out of here now.
Yeah, they gonna shut it down.
Jeez! Jesus Christ.
Hey. Who did that? There ain't no F-150 doing that. That wasn't all the way loud?
No.
Oh, hell no. I like this one right here, though. I like them old Chargers better, too. Dallas Raps. Make sure I get that. I know who it is. I follow them. It's a Charger.
The one that actually let me have my wheels.
Okay.
You got some red lights in the front of the GT500 grill. I mean, bumper.
Oh, let me see that thing. Oh, he got Brembos on here. He ain't going nowhere. He ain't going nowhere, baby. Ooh. Ooh. I already know what he doing. I already know what he doing, boy. That thing there. Ooh.
There one. There go the two fast guys right there.
Oh, here go the two fast ones right here. Oh, hey. I don't want no problems, man. Oh, Chevelle. Yeah. That's what I want. I will sell my Camaro for that car right there. Right now. They can have it.
You gonna drop the top on it, one?
Look at this, man. Shut the meat down out here, bro.
Think he wait for me?
Yeah, man. Carson sat here and shut us down, man, but the meet was a success, man. Got a whole lot of good footage, as y'all can see throughout this video, bro, man. It was, like I said, man, I used to have a Camaro. I used to be Chevy all day, every day growing up. My dad drew that into me. But, man, they had some cars here today, so I got to pay my respect to everything. Even the Fords that like to crash into things. Got to pay them their respect as well, man. But long as they don't get them tires hot and spinning, man, and hit me in my cat, we good. But that's that, man. So that's all I got for this video, man. Make sure y'all like, y'all comment, y'all subscribe, man, and follow your boy on the gram at Bickhamboi. It's BICKHAMBOI on the gram, on the Twitter. You can find me on the book too at the same things, man. So get at your boy, man. I'm out.